The year 1972 was one of the best in my life. At the beginning of May, I finished my studies in Bielefeld, Germany with a very good exam. In September, I was able to experience the Olympic Games in Munich. In between, I spent 3 months in the summer in the USA. I traveled with Greyhound buses from New York to Miami. Later I crossed the huge country and spent some days in California. Back I went on a more northern route again to New York. The emotional highlight of this great trip, however, were the 6 weeks during which I was allowed to be a member of the Blue Ridge Assembly staff. Located in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina, near the town of Asheville, this conference and recreation center was founded over 100 years ago by Dr. Willis D. Weatherford. It was a pleasure for me to create this video from Super 8 footage after 50 years, so for the golden anniversary. I would be even more pleased if a visitor to the Blue Ridge Assembly or even someone from the staff from the last 50 years would get in touch here and write something they remembered.